Welcome to my Prepoo with avocado and aloe vera. Here are the main items I use to complete that process. Let's dive right in. Alright, so we're starting off with the aloe vera plant alone. I purchased this from Walmart, and here I'm just demonstrating how pointy and sharp the edges are, so just be aware when handling this plant. Okay, so to start off, I'm just cutting the aloe vera into small individual pieces. And I did show you this process in my previous video, which I happen to be showing a little snippet on the bottom of your screen. All right, so I'll have a card here directly taking you to that video, as well as I'll have a link in the description box below for you to check out that Prepoo treatment with just the aloe vera alone. Of course, in this video, we're doing the avocado and aloe vera treatment, which is just as effective. And so yeah, I'm gonna take you through that treatment. As you can see here, I just cut off the sides, and now I'm focusing on cutting off one side here that is closest to the green part of the leaf. All right, so next up, I'm gonna take my spoon and I'm just gonna scoop out the rest of the aloe vera gel. And remember to keep all of the pieces, both the leaves that you are cutting off and the aloe vera gel, because we're gonna use all of this within our Prepoo treatment today. All right, so I'm gonna take the aloe vera gel and put it directly into my blender and repeat those steps with all the aloe vera leaves. Now, next up, we're gonna take the avocado and we're just gonna cut it in half, like you see here. And then of course we're going to remove that little ball there. I'm not sure what it's called, but just remove it and then scoop out the rest with the spoon. And just scoop out the rest on both sides, all right, of the avocado. So because we split it in half, of course, here I am scooping out the other side. All right, and then just placing that in my blender. Now I did go ahead and just blend this off of camera for time purposes, and I'm putting it directly into a glass bowl. And yeah, now we're gonna start to mix in our oils. I love to use olive oil, which I am putting in here, and just eyeball it with this process. You know how much you need and how much your hair requires. And then here I'm just using some coconut oil, which these oils work so amazing with my natural hair. Absolute staples for life. Okay, so yeah, just mix that all together. It does get a little messy, but don't worry, this entire process is extremely messy. Okay, so here is a final look at the mixture. Of course, it is extremely creamy with the aloe vera and the avocado mixed together along with the oils. And now it's just time to apply this amazing treatment. So I'm super excited. Let's get started. Okay, so now it's time for the application. So we're gonna go ahead and take one of the individual aloe leaves, and we're just gonna smooth that down the section and making sure to saturate the section with the leaf as much as possible. This is what's gonna help jumpstart the manageable part of this process and make sure that your hair is ready to receive this entire treatment. All right, and then as you can see here, I'm just showing you the mixture that we made at the beginning of the video. And now we're gonna start to apply this mixture. It does get a little messy, but as you can see here, I am applying it with the applicator brush, which you would typically use for coloring your hair. Of course, here I'm using it for this treatment, all right? And I'm just gonna smooth that in using both my hands and using the brush within this process to make sure that I saturate as many strands as I can within this process. All right, and as you can see here, I'm taking large clumps full, just making sure that I fully saturate my hair, get it all over my TWA strands, honey, and we are just ready to receive all of this treatment. Towards the end, this is how my hair looks, of course, and yeah. Now, after applying this treatment, my hair definitely has a lot of weight to it, but honestly, it feels so good. It feels so cleansed. My scalp feels amazing, and my hair feels soft and really manageable, really making sure that it's just absorbed as much of this treatment as possible. And yeah, this step just is so satisfying. All right, so next we're just gonna take our hair steamer and steam it for 20 minutes. And then once I remove my plastic bag, this is the finished result. My hair has taken this treatment very well. Every time I do this treatment, it just feels amazing. So yeah, we're just gonna go ahead and rinse this out. And now I'm applying the shampoo into my hair. And yeah, we just skip right to the next step of shampooing and basically completing our wash day routine. All right, so I'm going to massage the shampoo in very well. And then here is the conditioner that I put into my head. And yeah, just going to work that through all of my strands, making sure to saturate every single one. Alright guys, so after rinsing out the conditioner, this is how my hair looks. It's really nice, soft and manageable, and I'm just loving how this treatment took very well to my natural TWA hair. Honestly, I love this treatment. I would definitely recommend trying out this treatment and my previous video on just the aloe vera treatment alone. It is definitely worth it. Thank you guys so much for watching. Remember to like, comment, and subscribe, and I will see you guys in my next one. Bye guys.